Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll explain the Clean Plate Correction feature in visionCATS, which improves background correction for more accurate image evaluation. The Clean Plate Correction feature enables the subtraction of an image of a clean plate prior to sample application from the images recorded after chromatography. Before chromatography, each plate exhibits an inherent background signal due to the stationary phase and plate structure. By subtracting the clean plate image, visionCATS reduces background interference and produces a clearer image, enhancing the visibility and definition of sample zones. It is essential that the plate is positioned identically in both images. visionCATS can automatically compensate for minor shifts or rotations between images. However, in some cases, particularly after derivatization steps, accurate alignment may not be achievable. In such cases, the correction can be enabled manually, but careful visual verification of the result is strongly recommended. When applied appropriately, clean plate correction significantly improves background uniformity and supports more reliable and accurate evaluation results. Applying clean plate correction in visionCATS helps produce sharper images and more reliable analysis. Thank you for watching this visionCATS tutorial video.